Hello friends, welcome to OnlineMunim YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about the basic management of software, like how you'll manage your stock reports, your self-purchasing, your customer management and your daily books. And all the characters and the names used in this video will be for explanation purpose. So let's start with the video. Here you can see I have opened the login page of the software. So you will be provided with a unique login ID and password by which you can enter into the software. So here you can see I have already entered my login ID and password here, and I'll just click on my login button. So as I click on my login button, my software will get opened. So here you can see this is the whole dashboard of the software. Like from basic to advanced, each and every features will be including in this. Like what features will be there in your basic software, in today's video we'll be covering that only. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do is, as you open your software, this will be the main home page of the software. Home page will be common. Like from home page, what will be your work? Like for example, any new customer comes for purchase. Simply what you need to do, you need to enter your customer's name here. Let's say I'm entering my customer's name here, and here you can see sell option is given in front only. If I directly want to make that, you can directly make the sell bill from home page itself. Or else, let's say any of your older customer comes for purchasing again. So if you simply search your older customer's name, so if that customer is already present, here you can see in the customer list that customer will get filtered. Whether you have your phone number, last name, father's name, city, all these fields also you can search your older customer from home page itself. So we'll starting from the right side. Firstly, we'll go to the right side. First panel is a form. So if I go on to my phone option, so what will be your work here? Whatever your firm and company regarding details will be there. Whatever your shop regarding details will be there. Here you need to enter it. Let's say your firm ID, your registration number, shop name, firm description and all. Similarly, if you want to mention the bank details as well, that also you can do it from here. In the same way, if you want to upload some logos of your shops, upload it directly from your system also. So in the same way, I have created already a form here called MK. So I entered all the details regarding that form, and also I have uploaded some logos also. So whatever details you enter it here regarding your firm or regarding your shop, these details you can directly show on your invoice or any kind of receipt that is generated. Okay. After you create your firm, you need to simply select your firm in which you need to work. So after selecting the firm from here, so whatever work you will do after this, all the work will be recorded in that particular firm. Okay. Next one we'll go to the second option, that is settings. I will go to the settings options now. So now in the settings option, what will be my work? From here I can set my daily gold and silver rates. You can set it manually. Two options are given. You can set it manually as well. Your manual rates will be visible here. And similarly, if you want to update MCX rates directly, so you need to take the subscription for MCX. So directly your live rates will get fetched here. Okay, so now how to set your annual rates, we'll see that whatever rates you have set it on the same page. If I scroll down, here you can see on which date what rate you have set it. This also data gets maintained down. Okay, now how to set your rates? I am deleting these rates first. Okay, what you need to do, you need to simply select the metal type. You need to set a rate for gold or silver. Okay, and next you can give an ID to it. Let's say today's date I want to set it as 60,000. For 10 grams and for 100 purities. Means while mentioning, you need to mention 100 purities rate here. And if you click on submit, automatically here you can see you will get a 22, 20, 18, 16, 14 carats rate automatically calculated. If you find, like if you want to make manual changes in other rates as well, let's say I want to make the manual changes in my 22 carats rate. So what you need to do is, there is an also option given for that. You need to, what you entered here, GD. You entered 60,000 for 10 grams, right? So I am entering 60,000 for my 10 grams and for 100 purities. Below only you will get an option for additional rates. As you click on additional rates, a different column will get opened. So now let's say I want to set my rate for 22 carats by 55 to 55,500. I am changing this. And similarly for 20 carats, I want to change it for 51,000. So I have made changes here, and as I click on submit, here you can see upside your changes will get updated. Okay, so whatever rate you set at the top of the software, as said previously, your rate will get displayed. Okay, so now we are starting from upper side again. Home. After home, your main stock option will come, that is stock. So this will be the main stock adding panel. So whatever available stock you want to add it into your software, you can add it from your stock panel. Here mainly 4 options are given, 4 different types of stock you can add it into your software. First is your fine stock. In fine stock mainly will come your gold and silver fine jewellery. Next comes a imitation stock. Like if you wish to maintain fixed MRP products or sterling jewelry, that also you can maintain it your imitation stock. Similarly comes an option of raw metal stock, and also you will given with the option of crystals like loose diamonds and all. If you want to maintain that, also you can maintain it separate. So main stock is of fine stock, so we'll go with an example of fine stock only. I'm clicking on fine stock again. So this will be my fine stock panel. Here also you can see two different options are given: wholesale stock and retail stock. Like if you want to add your stock in bulk quantity and if you want to enter the whole total gross weight of the stock, you can enter it into your wholesale stock. And if you want to make one by one entry of your stock, you can maintain it in your retail stock. So we'll take an example of retail stock now. Here comes your bill date, firm and metal rate automatically. Next comes an option of product code. In product code, if you click a space bar here you can see already some product code I have set it for my products. Like whatever products you have in your shop, it might be ring, chain, earring. So as per yourself, what is convenient to you, you can set a code for it, unique code for it. Let's say I want to add a earring now. So I'll pick a product code for earring. Here you can see automatically my category and name for that product code gets picked. Similarly, front side if you come, there is an option given for brand and seller name, counter name. If you want to maintain it, you can maintain it, or it is not compulsory. Similarly, your image and photos option is also given. If you want to upload image and photo of the product, image and photo also you can upload it. Here comes your HOID number. Whatever your 6-digit HOID number will be there, you need to mention it. Similarly, simply I will come down, I will enter my gross weight of the product. Let's say I am entering 12 grams of product. Okay, I am entered 12 grams here. Next, if there is any packet weight, here you can mention your packet weight as well. Or else here front side if you come, there is a product tag weight also given. Similarly comes your purity of the product, how many wastage you have charged by the supplier, you can mention a wastage here. Here is also one more wastage given, that is customer wastage. Like if you want to take value added or polishing charges and all, that you can add it into your customer wastage. Similarly, your labor charges, making charges options are also given, and how you want to charge that charges as per gram, per kg, per mg, per piece or percent wise. That completely depends upon you. Okay, if you come down, there is an option given for stone as well. Like if your product consists of any kind of stone, so other information regarding the stone and all, you can enter it here below. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll simply click on my add stock. So as I click on my add stock, my stock will get completely added into my software. And if you want a barcode for it, barcode will also get generated automatically. Okay, so this stock has been completely added now. So whatever stock you have added, you can go on to the third option, that is report, and check your whole stock regarding reports. Here you will get each and every report, your total available stock report, your sold out stock list, and even your purchase stock list also you will get it here separate. If you want to check your total stock here you can see, or upper only you can see total how many gold is available, total how many silver is available with you. If you go inside the stock, a whole report format of this gold and silver stock will get opened in front of you. And here you can see above each and every option there is a different search box given. Like let's say if you want to search any kind of product, you can simply filter out that product, so that particular product will get filtered down. Okay. Similarly, if you want to maintain, if you wish to maintain any kind of Excel, PDF or print for this format also, so here in the corner side here options are given: copy, CSV, Excel, PDF, print. If you want to click on any of the format, in that format your Excel or PDF will get generated immediately. So I'm going back again. Below gold and silver stock, you will get an option of jewellery panel. If you click onto the jewellery panel option, here you can see a catalog view of the format. Like whatever products you have added with the images, here automatically system generates a catalog view for you in this way. So if you wish, like this catalog view, you can directly show it to your customers as well. Let's say I'm going to more details with images, each and every detail of the product will get shown here. In case if you find, like if you want to give a quotation to your customer, if you come down, your quotation option is given. Directly from here you can provide a quotation, a rough cut or rough estimate also to your customers. Okay, so this was all regarding your stock report, where you can check your stock reports and all. So now we'll go to the next option, that is sell. We'll go to the sell section now. As I said, you can do a sell entry from home page itself. I'm going to my home page again. So now what I'll do is I'll directly enter my customer's name. Let's say I'm entering my customer's name. If you want to maintain the KYC and all, you can maintain the KYC also, as well, like phone number, city and all. There are sell options. I'll directly click on my sell. Okay, now what you will do is you would just scan the barcode of the product which you need to sell. In case you don't have the barcode, you can enter the product ID manually, or else if you click a space bar here, so whatever products are available with you, all the products will get displayed down. Now which particular product you want to sell to that customer, you can pick that product, and as you click on go, so automatically all the details regarding that product will get fetched here. Now here also, like if you wish to make changes in any kind of making charges or rate for any particular customer, so that also you can do it. Or else if you click on submit, so your payment panel will get opened up. So now this is a payment panel. So this is the total amount 69,834 that you need to receive from your customer. Here you can see your GST 1.5 also has been added here. Okay, similarly, let's say in total amount you want to make a round off of 69,000. So what I'll do is I'll directly enter my round off amount here, that is 69,000. And as you click on enter, if you reverse it here, you can see automatically reverse calculation happens, and whatever the amount will be there here, it will get added into the discount section. Okay, similarly four options are given: cash, bank, card and online. By whichever mode customer is paying you the amount, you can put it into that. Similarly, let's say if you are taking any kind of old metal in exchange, that also you can take it in same bill. I'll simply scroll up. Here is an option given, that is metal details received by customer. So here you can take your old gold. Let's say I'm receiving 2 grams of old gold from my customer. I'm after 2 grams here. So directly I will enter, that is purity of the product. And as you click on enter, by today's rate automatically your valuation will get calculated. Now let's say obviously it is a old gold, so use the same rate. So if you want to make changes in the rate as well, that also you can do it. Or else let's say whatever 2 grams is there, I want to take it as 8,000 ounces. So directly I can enter 8,000 ounces. Okay, and if you come down here, you can see from the total amount, my 8,000 has been deducted, and here comes a final cash balance. Now whatever mode by whichever mode customer is paying to you, you can put it into that mode. Let's say I'm taking by 15 by cash, some amount by card, some amount by bank, and whatever card and bank details will be there, here you can enter. The left out amount, I want to keep it as balance, so I'm keeping it as cash balance only, and I'll click on submit. So my final bill. So this will be the format of invoice, which will be fully customizable. As you want to design your invoice, you can design it by yourself. Okay, and whatever balance amount is remaining of this particular customer, you can, if you come onto the home tab of this customer, the balance amount will get displayed onto the home page itself. Let's say I want to check each and every transaction of each and every customers, like CRDR transaction. So here you can see CRDR panel is given. If I come onto my CRDR option, here you will get each and every transactions, like how many active udhars are there, means how many active balances are there, who all have deposited me the udhar amount, and who all have given me the advances, that also detail you can get it. Similarly, let's say any of my customer comes to deposit me the balance amount. Let's say what I'll do is I'll directly search that customer's name, so that customer will get filtered down. You can search by the customer name, their mobile number as well. So I'll directly click onto the udhar serial number. Okay, so my udhar panel will get open now. Now this particular customer's udhar is, the balance is 17,000 now. So let's say he is depositing me 5,000 today. So I'll take 5,000. He is depositing me in cash in hand only. If he is depositing other payment option, like other payment mode, your payment option is also given. So from there you can take it by cash, card, check and online also. So I'm taking in cash now, so I'll simply keep it as it is and click on submit. So my udhar amount will get deposited, and here immediately will get a receipt also, so which you can provide it to your customers as well. So 17,000 was his balance amount. He deposited me 55,000 today, and remaining is 12,000. Okay. Similarly, so this was all your regarding CRDR transactions. So we'll come to the next option, that is user list. In user list, here you will get your customer list, supplier list and karigar list as well. In customer list, let's say if you want to send WhatsApp to any of your particular customer, your WhatsApp icon is given. If you have mentioned his number, if WhatsApp web is connected, so directly you can send messages to particular customers also. Okay, and again from right side, from where we started, firm settings, in the same row, if I come down here, SMS option. If you are done with the DLT registration, if you want to activate SMS, so this will help you to send bulk SMS or offers regarding SMS to your customers. After SMS comes your main option, that is daily diary. Here you can check like whatever day-wise transactions you have done, how many sell, how many purchases you have done, if anyone has deposited you the udhar amount, each and every details regarding a day-wise, here you will get it. How many was total, today's total in, today's total out, today's opening and today's closing also. The same report if you want to check month-wise or week-wise, simply you need to select date here. let's say I'm selecting a month, like let's say I have to check it from 1 October to 7th November. So I'll simply select a date here, and if I click on search, so automatically the whole report from that date will get displayed down. And this also you can take it in PDF. So this was all about the basic management of the software. If the video was helpful, please hit a like and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.